So now we will see the hash set usage without using any other class, just by using hash set. Here click on this package explorer, highlight com.app3, right click, select new, highlight new and select a class. The name of the class is M2. Just click on this checkbox to include main method public static void main, then click on finish. Eliminate all these auto generated comments. Now hash set, I'm creating an object for hash set. Hash set is equal to new hash set set. Here pressing dot, now it will be showing all the methods that is available to this hash set. I'm using only add method. So observe here, two operations has been performed by the Eclipse here. The first one, it is importing the HashSet class from java.util package that is kept under after the package declaration. Okay, the import statement. Next one, it is uh, creating a generic style syntax for HashSet object creation. So we can remove this. As of now, we are not using generic style to create the collection object. Now add the elements. So I'm adding 10, adding, will be adding same elements. Add, find out whether is accepting duplicates or not. Set dot add, then set dot add, then set dot add, then like this, I have five elements. Why we are getting these warnings, it is because of a generic related issue. We can get rid of this warning, except one warning, by using annotation. Annotation came in Java JDK 1.5. How can we keep this annotation statement? By typing at the rate symbol is in uppercase, suppress w in is in uppercase without giving any space, press warnings, open round bracket within double quotes, unchecked, unchecked. Now into the set by using system.out.println, in short SOP. How can we keep SOP in the Eclipse? That is by just typing SYSO and pressing control space, play the set, save the file. Now, how can we run this program? It is just by pressing control F11 in Windows. If the hash set allowing duplicates, will be getting all these five elements with the same value. Five elements are there with the same value. If the set is allowing duplicates, will be getting all five elements with the same value. But if set is not allowing duplicates, we will only be getting 10. Okay, will only get 10. Execute it by pressing Ctrl F11. We can see only one element. That means set won't allow duplicates. Set won't allow duplicate. How it is possible? It is because in all the wrapper classes, in all the wrapper classes, object class hash code and in all the wrapper class object class hash code and another one method is there, hash code and another method, it is equals. Hash code and equals methods got overridden in all the wrapper classes. How we can consider this as the wrapper class? It is because here it is not directly, we are not directly supplying a 10, it is boxing into integer object, then it is upcasted to object type. First it is boxing into integer object, and then it is upcasted to object type. First it will be boxing into the wrapper class integer object, then it will be upcasted to object type. In all the wrapper class, this hash code and equals method will be overridden. So that is why we are not getting the duplicate element. But whereas in earlier previous program we have seen, okay, in class A, okay, that is not automatically overriding these three methods, toString, hash code and equals. But in all the wrapper classes, okay, in all the wrapper classes, this hash code and equals method is overridden. Now that is why we are implementing overriding the hash code and equals method inside the class A. But in case of this hash set direct usage, it will be automatically checking for duplicates, and if duplicate element is there, uh, it will be rejected, like it won't be added to the list. Why? Because it is internally using hash code and equals method of object class. Okay, this is it for this hash set to avoid the duplicate directly by using hash set.